Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my daily cleaning schedule. I'm going to be showing you all the things that I do on a daily basis pertaining to cleaning. This has been helping me out a lot. It has been keeping me on schedule, as in keeping my house tidy and clean. I do have a weekly routine that I will be showing you guys in future videos, so don't worry about that. But I'm just going to show you today my daily cleaning schedule. So if you guys would like to see it, just keep on watching. So this is how my schedule looks for my daily cleaning routine. It is not in order by any chance. It just this is the way I typed it. I do have a certain way of how I clean. Like when I go in order, that's how I clean. So I'm gonna show you guys, or tell you guys what I do, and then I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. So the first thing that I do, I always make up my bed and tidy my room. And the reason it says beds right here, because when my kids was younger, I used to make up their bed, but since they're older and have their own chore chart, they do their own room and bed. So this is just for me. So I make up my bed, and then I do my I tidy up my bedroom. I vacuum every single day, and I pick up everything and make sure that everything is organized. So that's what I do. The next thing I do is sweep and vacuum. I sweep my bathroom and I vacuum my my bedroom. The next thing I do is clean up the bathroom. I tidy up the bathroom. I make sure the counters are cleaned off, nothing's on the counter, and sweep in there just to make sure everything is neat. Then I clean my living room. I just make sure everything is tidy in there as well. I try not to deep clean every day, but sometimes it's just a habit for me, so I keep this daily schedule to let me know that I don't really have to do it all the time, just to make sure everything is nice and neat. Then I do my dining room, making sure everything is off the table and clean. Then I make sure my kitchen is clean. That's another thing. So I can make sure that all my dishes are clean, the counters are cleaned off. So when I have to cook dinner, everything will be washed and clean. And the next thing I do, I go through my mail. I'm sorry, you guys, I have a little cold. So excuse my sniffling. The next thing I do is go through my mail. I already had done this, so I'm going to check this off. I do this every day. I check my mailbox every day. I just put my important mail. I just take out my important mail and then put the ones that's not important on the side. So I have to go through those, but I already did that. And then the next thing that has been very helpful, you guys, is the one laundry a day. One load of laundry. Oh my gosh, this has been helping me because my laundry day is Saturday and Sunday. But when I do this, it makes it much easier for me, so I don't have a lot to do. So I try to do a laundry a day. We really don't have that much laundry. My kids have theirs. I have mine, things like that. But when it comes to blankets and my throw blankets and things like that, it just helps a lot when I have to do it on the weekends. So I love to do this. Now I put down here my extras, which is full of clothes, because sometimes I get behind because I'll be doing it a day. But, it helps to see this. So I'm like, oh, okay, I have to remember to fold the clothes. And the next thing is pick up and put away. This is if I see anything misplaced or, lying around, I just do that. And next thing is menu plan. Now I try to do this every Sunday with my husband, but sometimes we be so busy or tired or just forget. So we try to menu plan every Sunday, but if that doesn't work, we just do it during the week. So I have to remember. So I put this on here so I remember to do that. And this right here is a dinner planner. This helps a lot as well. This is what we menu plan on. This has been helping us a lot. It's just very, very good for us. I got this at Walmart. I got this at Target for $3, and it has been so helpful. So I love menu planning with this. So you guys, that's how my cleaning schedule looks. This has been helping me out a lot. What made me do this is watching She's in Her Apron. I seen her do this a couple of years ago. And when I say, if you watch my videos, my cleaning routines, you will know that I do this. Like, I always clean like this because it's just like my routine. I have to clean this way but I try not to deep clean, even though sometimes like I just fall into it. But this has been helping me out a lot. So this is just pertaining to my household. If you guys would like to do this, you know, print out your own, just pertaining to what you like to do or how you clean your home so it can be easier on you. So you guys, without further ado, this is my cleaning schedule, my daily cleaning schedule. And yeah, so let's get right into the video and show you how I check things off. So as you can see, you guys, I already did my bedroom. I did my room. I wiped down everything. I did it off camera because it just like, I forgot that I had to do this video. So I made sure I cleaned up my room and wiped down everything. So I can check that off my list. The only thing I have to do is the other things that I didn't do. But I did make up my bed and tidy my room.
Whisper to me softly. I can see the edge and I hope that you're falling for me. I don't need to fake. Hold me when I shake. Laying at your side and I burn like a naked flame. So catch me when I fall. Darling, don't you know I'm not scared at all. So don't let go. Catch me when I fall. Catch me when I fall. You're falling. So catch me when I fall. Head up in inferno, heaven in your arms, I'm cold in the night till you come around and make me warmer. I can feel my heart rush, faster when we touch. Laying at your side and I hope you can feel my love. So catch me when I fall. Darling, don't you know I'm not scared at all. So don't let go. Catch me when I fall. Catch me when I fall. Catch me when I fall. Catch me. You're falling. So catch me when I fall.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it. We make it. I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it.